Okay, we got a 2013 Chevy Cruze. Done a lot of videos on this already. Worked on it. We're going to replace this side rear mirror where she got swipe basically while it was sitting on the street. But anyway, so this comes off. This panel just pops right off. Got these two little clips. Careful not to break them. Then we got electronics here. Push the clip and pull. Hopefully. Alright, so you got to undo your electrical connection there, and this actually, instead of pressing down, this tab pulls out. So you push down on it with like a screwdriver. Get your screwdriver in there, whatever. Alright, then we need our 10mm socket. Alright. And then that should pop right out of there. Just like that. So there's our old one all jacked up. And we got a used one over here we're going to put back in. Here's our used one from the junkyard. Just goes back same way that one came out. Fits in that groove right there. There is an alignment pin, so just like that. And we need our bolts. Get them started. We can go ahead and reconnect our electronics now that we got one bolt in there. Okay. All right. Got them started. We'll snug them up. And boom, our new mirror's in. There we go.
Bob's your uncle.
Bob's your uncle. Somebody's your uncle. I had Uncle Bob. All right, and then just pop your cover back on just like that. I'm going to leave mine off because I got to replace a window regulator. That'll be in the next video. So that's it. Like, subscribe, all the things, and safety third. See you on the next one.